Good afternoon, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're on Monday, November 21st, 2022. We're here in Colden, New York, just outside of East Aurora. Today we're installing around an 85 square foot quartz countertop.
Fill the hole with the tip of the epoxy. Make sure you get in there nice, easy, without making too much of a mess of the hole. Now that you've done that, you want to close it up just a little bit more. Close it up a little bit. Make sure you get some nice squeeze out there. See now our rag there with there? That saved the sink.
Hi, I'm Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with our customers Jeff and Mary. We just installed a MSI Calcutta quartz countertop. What do you guys think of your new countertops?
I am thrilled. Gorgeous.
Yeah, I think you did a wonderful job, Andy. From start to finish, the process has been seamless. From the design aspect all the way through to the installation. The people you work with are amazing. Nice group of young men that come in are really careful with everything. You bring everything in and install, just wonderful.
What do you think of picking material out at our place?
When I came in, I was so surprised at how big the selection was. When I walked in, I'm like, wow, there's a lot here to choose from, and Susan was extraordinarily helpful.
What do you think of looking at full slabs versus the little samples everybody else has?
Oh, you have to look at a full slab, in my opinion. This is basically what I'm looking at is almost the size of a full slab, as you guys explained to me, and I got a really good idea of what the whole aspect of it will look at the end, yeah.
What do you think the overall fit and the template process we use?
Good thing to point out is when you came in and did the measurements for the counter, the piece of equipment you used was very precise, and you've got some excellent measurements, and everything just came in and fit like a glove. I mean, it just pushed in perfectly.
Thank you guys very much for your business.
Andy, so nice
Thanks,
having
Andy.
you guys.
Appreciate it.
Wonderful job. Thank you.